Greetings, gentlemen. A quick tutorial for you guys today based on TJ Creation Kit's Advanced EFPSE Template version 1.2. Definitely go download that right now. It's here on itch. I'll leave the link in my description. So once you go down here, download now, name your own generous price. Then you'll download a zip file. Just unzip it and put it straight into your projects folder. And then it should look like this. So it's just like any other project that you can go and test out and play with. But today I'll just be going over how to borrow and implement his sprint script, which is pretty cool. So I'll be adding sprinting to this testing grounds project over here. You can see I only have the menu script and my map script over here. We'll also need a loop script and the sprint script. So I'll be adding 2 more scripts here. I guess the quickest way to do this is go to the advanced template, go to the scripts folder, and then just borrow the sprint and loop script. Copy those, go back to your project, scripts folder, and paste. Then open Notepad++ or whatever you use. We'll just need to rename this. That's obviously his map's name, so just rename that to your map name. Mine's testing grounds map. So I'll just copy that and paste it here. So it's map name underscore loop with a lowercase l dot script. Now we have all the scripts that we need. We'll just have to adjust them slightly. So if you go and test your project here and you come to your main menu, you go to settings, keyboard, you'll see here that there's no key binding option for sprinting. And that's what we'll add now in the menu script. So I just replaced map with sprint because I don't use map, the map button. So I'm going to replace map with sprint. And then you can come here and change the key binding for sprinting. So this is TJ's menu script over here. Everything's pretty much the same, I think. Except if you scroll down here to keyboard and you look down here, we see we have sprint over there. I think he also replaced map with sprint. Okay, cool. So I'll keep his one here open for reference. Let's go back to our project, or your project. Open your menu script. Scroll down here. See, here we have map. So we're just going to change that to sprint. Oh, wait. You know what? Why don't we just do this? I'm being dumb. Just copy this whole thing. Copy these 2 lines. Go to your menu script and just replace those same 2 lines. Ta-da! Done. Then we can save. And then if you go back to your project, and if all went well, if you go to settings, keyboard, you should have sprint over there in place of map. And it's already binded to shift, but you can change it to anything. I think that means choose a key. I'm going to keep it shift. Cool, so now shift is to sprint. That's working. Apply, close. But we still have some more editing to do. I'll show you now. So our menu script's done. We can close that. Then we'll go to our loop script. It does have grenade logic in here as well. That'll be another tutorial for another time. So I'm just going to delete the grenade logic for now. And we just have our sprint logic here. Then you also want to open the sprint script. Alright, so this is your normal player speed when you're not sprinting. And then in the sprint script, that'll be your sprinting speed. So you can adjust how fast you want to be when sprinting and how fast you are by default. You can change this in the engine too, but it's easier here. So it's going to go from, let's make it like, I think the default's 128. It'll go from 128 to 250, which is pretty fast. So once you have both of these scripts saved, I think we're ready. I think that's it. Let's test it out. Okay, here we are in the testing grounds. Here's my default walking speed, 128. And now I'm going to press and hold shift. And he's running. Look at him go. I let go of shift. Press shift. Let go. You can see it's working now. And I'm being attacked by a spider. Scary. He shoots webs from his butt. I can sprint and jump over him and run away. Now I can run laps around the spider. You can't catch me. My frame rate is going crazy right now. But there we go. That's how you implement sprinting into your project. From Creation Kit's Advanced EFPSE Template version 1.2. Thank you very much, TJ. I appreciate all the work that you do and how smart you are figuring all this stuff out. So yeah, thank you very much, TJ. That'll be all. Thanks for watching, dudes. I'll see you guys soon in another tutorial or another gameplay or a progress update of my game. Let me know if you have any questions. Join the Discord. And yeah, have a good day.